very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is a perspective on President Donald Trump's peace initiative for Ukraine. Ladies and gentlemen, the echoes of war in Ukraine have reverberated across the world for over 3 years, threatening not just peace in Eastern Europe but global stability itself. President Donald Trump, prior to his election as the 47th President of the United States, expressed firm views on the Ukraine-Russia conflict, namely that it should never have started and serves no one's best interest. With this stance in mind, his presidency began with a swift move toward his promise of seeking peace. Upon assuming office, President Trump initiated immediate diplomatic efforts which the world hoped would bear fruit. However, widespread skepticism remained given the entrenched positions held by all parties over years of this conflict. Over time, various narratives had solidified through expert analysis and media coverage, shaping global perceptions of the war's evolution. Public opinions, both genuine and politically motivated, influenced the discourse. As is often the case in today's world, narratives take precedence unless one is directly impacted by the war's harsh realities. The complexity of the situation presented a formidable challenge for President Trump. His decision to bypass conventional diplomatic channels and contact President Putin directly demonstrated an instinct-driven, pragmatic approach. Shortly after speaking with President Putin, Trump reached out to President Zelensky to ensure transparency and continued communication. While conjectures and rumors about these conversations abound, the fact remains that it was the first significant outreach to President Putin in years, an essential step towards exploring a path out of the impasse. Despite efforts to keep the public informed, certain parties, both geopolitical and media-based, have amplified differing narratives. Some question Trump's approach or oppose alternative course of action, while others seek to sow discord among US allies and stakeholders. Nevertheless, it is essential to recognize that this is only the beginning of a peace effort. Even amid chaos, opportunities can arise. Reports also indicate that the Trump administration is actively consulting all relevant stakeholders, including US allies, to prepare for a subsequent step. In complex conflicts, patience and trust are critical, and premature judgments based on incomplete information should be avoided. Moving forward, the Trump administration must stay grounded and focused with measured communication, speaking less and acting more while ensuring all stakeholders are kept informed, will help prevent misinterpretations or exploitation by those with differing agendas. Maintaining transparency and consistency will be critical to fostering trust. The stakes could not be higher. A failure to achieve peace risks not only prolonged suffering for the Ukrainian people but also continued geopolitical tension that could escalate beyond the region. Economically, a protracted war impacts global energy and food supplies, disrupts markets, and deepens divisions among major global powers. Socially, it perpetuates displacement and humanitarian crisis across borders. A resolution to the conflict could help stabilize not only Ukraine but also the global system as a whole. For any peace effort to succeed, intentions must remain genuine, objectives clear, and approaches constructive. The broader public and observers should focus on understanding these positive parameters rather than speculating on strategy, much of which remains unseen by design. Time and space must be given for meaningful progress to unfold. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, peace initiatives often succeed not solely due to strategy but because of persistence and timing. While the path ahead remains uncertain, even small steps towards peace can ignite hope. As President Trump's initiative unfolds, it is vital for all stakeholders to exercise patience, trust in genuine efforts, and remain open to the possibilities of a more peaceful future. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.